Nike, just do it. Look like a shoe company, really operate like a branding, design, and demand creation machine. They don't do any of the shoes, none. They have the license, the franchising on the name, but they don't produce any more shoes. Nike appeared to be a sport appeal manufacturer that makes shoes and clothing. The visible products lets people to focus on material features and athletic performance. In stores and products, launches reinforce the perception of product company. But what really happened on the back is the brand get attention, cultural relevance, and identity are more valued than factory ownership. I was reading that one of the reasons I put Nike here is how much from a pair of shoes that you buy for $100, how much money go to the person who are buying the shoes, franchising their shoes, or reselling the shoes is like $5. And they need to do advertising, they need to go do the promotion the Nike does,